I threw a fish oil to Zazu and it went under the table, the glass table, and both of them are like so confused. Zazu, get it! Walle, get it! Walle is licking the glass table. Zazu, get it! Zazu, get it! Walle, get it! Walle! Alright, it's over here, Zazu. Good boy. You like fish oil? You're just the strangest dog. You just like everything. Hello, everybody. So today we're doing a fun video to see if dogs understand human language. So we are here with our two dogs today. This is Zazu, our Labrador Retriever, and this is Walle, our German Shorthaired Pointer. And we've had them since they were little puppies, and we've always trained them in English. So all the commands they know are in English words. So today we're going to see how they react to me trying to tell them to do something in a different language. So I was born in Nepal. Nepal is a small landlocked country between China and India. And we are going to try this experiment today. I'm going to speak to them in Nepali and see how they react. So let's get started. Sit, sit. Good boys. Pop, pop. That's a pop. Good boys. Spin, spin. Good boys. Sit. Good boys. Down. Good boys. Good boys. I'm so proud of you. Alright, up. Walle, up. Hey, you lazy bum, up. Okay, Zazu's just going to do everything. Good boys. Sit. Walle, sit. Good boys. So it looks like they understand English commands very well. So we're gonna try with Nepali commands. Okay? Let's do this. Come on. Basa. Basa. Walle, basa. Good boy. Hadil. Hadil. Good boys. Guma. Guma. Good boys. Basa. Walle, basa. Zazu, Walle, talabasa. 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 Good boys. Good boys. Uta. Walle, uta. Walle, uta. Zazu just wants to do everything. Good boys. So it does look like they understand Nepali too. It's basically hand signals. That's what they're picking up because they see these scrumptious treats in my hands and they are willing to do anything for it. So I'm gonna try this time without any speaking, just from hand signals. Alright, so for the hand signals, I'm gonna use this as sit, this as spin, this as up, and this as down. So we're gonna see if they understand only by sign language. Zazu. Well, Walle, you need to be better at this. You need to be better at this, okay? You need to learn from your brother. So if you liked our video today, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos of Zazu and Walle. And for all our followers in India, Zazu और Walle के लिए ढेर सारा प्यार देने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया और धन्यवाद. See you in the next video. Bye. Hello, everybody. Oh. I'm going to try to see if they understand. Oh, Walle is just not caring. Can you guys sit? Sit. Walle, stop bugging your brother. Sit. Walle, basa. Basa. Utha. Good boy. Ah, okay, too much utha boy.